It's a fix, Tanner. It's a fix. Let's take this home and look at the data and close this thing out. All right, guys, this is a screenshot here of it. I got the reference waveform pulled up to the crank sensor. The new one, the factory one, is the top trace. And you see the air gap completely different than the bottom trace. I put a little filter in here to get rid of the noise that was in there. Again, the noise was in both of them. But this is really the best comparison that I have between the two. Like, what's going on here, I'm not completely sure. It's almost like a magnet issue. Like maybe the magnet isn't strong enough.